Hi.
Let me show you work in progress. It's the next day actually. It's the third day of cleaning. Here is the actual shelving. Why didn't I think about these even before?
I love you, Mom.
Houston, we have a problem. The studio's seen better times. It's really messy and it's time to tackle all these. The papers, the mess, the floor, the shelf, everything needs to be tidy up. One shelf at a time, one corner at a time.
I got a lot of lessons left to learn, but I'm not even close.
I don't know how.
Okay. You need a hug? You need a hug, is it?
I wasn't crying though.
You weren't crying. That's good. I love you.
My inhibition, I've become quite sure that I love you the most. That this could be the easiest thing if I can, but I'm too afraid of losing it all. 'Cause if I leave everything on the table, then you might go. But I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now. Not this way, 'cause I love you and I wanna hold you when we're old and gray. Oh, but love like this don't come around, don't come around every day. Never been quite sure of myself or anyone else, but here I am with you. So I put my hesitations on the shelf, 'cause this is what I choose. This will be the easiest thing if I let it, and I can't be too afraid to fall. So I'm leaving everything on the table. You can have my heart. Oh, I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now.
Hello, the next day. Here is work in progress, as I have been using them to store big and small together. Why not? Even though they have been designed for 12 by 12 scrapbook papers, you can definitely try to store both. I'm planning to have exactly the same shelf there, literally. So if 3 of them can fit and I can sort all the envelopes. Let me get those out from the foil. These are the bigger one. Well, that's even better. I have the smaller size. I think I hear Hannah. Back to you. I have the smaller box. Oh, so these are like squarish. Oh, that's nice. So that's how it looks. So this one is like smaller, and both of them are from IKEA. And now I'm thinking to tackle this one.
I've got a lot of lessons left to learn, but I'm not even close. Through my inhibition, I've become quite sure that I love you the most. That this could be the easiest thing if I'd let it, but I'm too afraid of losing it all. 'Cause if I leave everything on the table, then you might go. But I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now. Not this way, 'cause I love you and I wanna hold you when we're old.
me show you work in progress. It's the next day, actually. It's the third day of kind of cleaning, trying to sort the studio. Here is the actual shelving organizer for papers. I do like them. Honestly, I think they are super pretty. They felty kind of boxes. I have cleaned this one, and that's what we've done last time, if you do remember it correctly. Let me just have this one off. So I still keep it clean actually, which is great. Now I need to put the transparent holders here as well, but so that's what we have so far. I think it's actually looking good, really good. I'm quite happy, impressed with it. I'm constantly cleaning. I'm in between one cleaning and another cleaning, and it's, I have to say, it's quite annoying, to be honest, because it feels that I keep on saying I need to tidy up, I need to tidy up, but I do wonder, do we all crafters have that? Honestly, it just feels like never-ending story with the cleaning. I'm constantly either cleaning the desk or cleaning the shelves here or the tables at the window. There's always something happening. I just really wish to come to the stage where it's everything done. But I think by the time one part of the studio is actually clean, then the other one, it's getting messy. So but I think that's life, that's how it is. The beautiful weather is outside. If you're watching my Instagram, if you're following that, you could see on the stories a little bit of work in progress, snippets of things, and I have been outside. Gorgeous weather, stunning sun, having a beautiful sun. It's amazing to just go to the garden and just enjoy this. But then if you have, like myself, a studio that really needs to be tidy, I'm like, nah, the studio has to win for now. I promised myself not to, yet again, not to craft, not to do any much of arting until it's done and it's clean. I wish to also tidy up this wall. Somehow I wish to this part of the studio as well. I have done that last year. Was it last year or 2 years ago? I can't remember, was it last year or 2 years ago, but this part of the room has to be sorted as well, in a way that I have this really beautiful shelf that I purchased last year or 2 years ago. Time flies way too fast. But I have that beautiful shelf that I would love to use. I would love to put it up. Either I'm gonna make it in this video, or maybe I'm gonna make a separate video to that. I shall see. So I need to clean the actual desk first, so when the desk is clean I can put things from here to my desk, so that way I have room to put the shelf on top of this one. So it's a little bit, yeah. So do you know what I also found, and this is probably what annoys me the most? You start with one shelf, and one shelf at a time. That's the advice I gave you. You start with one shelf, and then there you go, you need to start with another one, because one is connected somehow with another one, and the next one, and the next one. So that's how I feel. Started with one or two shelves, and it feels that I have to keep on going, keep on moving. But I'm really determined and really wish to have it finally done and cleaned. You okay? Marina, kable myszko.
I love you, Mom.
I love it too.
I really love you. I love you more.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
I know. That's not even possible.
Always on the run, you're like vapor, tearing through towns like the paper.
is the current state. This is how it looks. It's actually not great looking if you think about at this moment how much stuff it's there. The floor is filled with things and babies. Hi Hannah.
Hi.
Hi.
Whoa.
And we have a desk filled as well, so it can be overwhelming, but you know, take your time. I'm gonna move this one. Well, Lucas hopefully will do it. I can't get them screws out. I'm gonna move the shelf so I can fit the
This
yes.
this flower for my little thing, my cart.
Your card?
Yeah.
Yes, you can have it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So I need to sort. These are 12 by 12. These are 12 by 12. These are 12 by 12 and A4s. So I'm going to sort all of these. They will land in those boxes.
I don't know what was doing that.
Houston, we have a problem, as they say. Lucas have moved this shelf and it's perfect now, so these semi-transparent things are there. But my plan for this shelf is actually not possible because look, this is too big.